Nightingale absorbency test. These are the diapers that I reviewed in the previous video. They are the Nightingale Extra large briefs. They are traditional plastic back briefs with 2 tapes. Feel free to check out my review if you want more information on them. In this test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out how much water these diapers absorb. So, first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and weigh this diaper dry. I am going to give you a number in grams. Dry, this diaper weighs 105 grams. Now I am going to go ahead and take this diaper up to the wall and saturate it with water. Alright, so I take the diaper to the wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this squirt bottle, and I am going to slowly apply water until the diaper is totally saturated. I'm going to do a time lapse of this because it is going to take several minutes to do, and you will see how the absorbency material expands and to see if the construction of the diaper fails and the absorbency material falls down. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, the diaper is completely saturated. As you can see, the water is flowing out the bottom. No matter how much water I put on it now, it just goes out the bottom. So I'm going to let this hang here for about 5 minutes until it stops dripping. Then I'm going to go ahead and weigh it, and that will give us the amount of water that this diaper has absorbed. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh this. And the wet weight of this diaper is 1,585 grams. Again, that's 1,585 grams. In my next video, I go ahead and I review the new Absorbency Plus diaper by XP Medical. I think you will be pleasantly surprised with that diaper. My first impressions weren't that good, but the amount of water that thing held was incredible when I did the absorbency test. So be sure to subscribe so you can see those videos. Thanks for watching.